Good morning and thank you for choosing MarineMax in Stuart. This is Bill Mascus and today I will show you this beautiful 320 Vantage Boston whaler built in 2017. This vessel is equipped with twin 350 Mercury Verado Joystick white motors with a little bit over 100 hours, maintained up to date. It is equipped with a fishing package. You can see the two shore power. Right out the entryway we have a shower head so we can rinse as we come out of the water. The vessel is equipped with automatic flushing for the engines and generator. You can see it right under there. Wide and very well built dive door with the steps that are hiding in storage right underneath the seat. Large expansive seat on the stern. The famous convertible seating in the center. It can become a full lounge. Further forward, we have this turnable and electrically adjustable up and down passenger seating. There are tables that fit in between the two seating areas. The helm is equipped with Joystick twin 16-inch Raymarines GS 150s actually, sorry. Mercury Vessel View 5. Fusion stereo, Raymarine VHF, trim tabs, the spotlight controls, and the seat is electrically controlled. Right behind it, we have the handling station with a live well, all the pump switching right underneath the handrail, a sink, and plenty of storage right underneath. On the port side, we have the cabin area. It can be converted into seating and or as a bed. The area is fully air conditioned and is powered by the vessel's generator. The head is on the opposite side, very spacious. You can see the mooring covers of the boat and all the storage space all around, as well as the sink/shower right across. Proceeding to the bow area, very nice, relaxing, twin lounging and joined by another 3 or 4 people. Further forward, we do have the windlass and the bow ladder that enables us to jump to the beach when we are on the sandbar. Charging ports on both sides and cup holders. The vessel is also equipped with radar, the spotlight, and a VHF antennas. But very importantly, here's the bilge with the Kohler generator on the back and all the mechanical and electro-hydraulic aspects of the boat that is very easily accessible. The cockpit table is stored right underneath, totally out of the way. For any further questions and or arrange a showing, please don't hesitate to call me anytime. My cell is 203-808-5088. Again, Bill Mascus, MarineMax in Stuart. Hope to see you soon. Bye.